going on? Mr. Dave on the rock pile. We're shotcreting the pond today at the Bobcat exhibit up here in Alpine. Unfortunately, it's not 100 degrees. It's in the 80s, so it's not bad. Not bad at all. But we're doing the shotcrete. We're spraying it again over the rubber liner, the fabric liner, if you will, and that's going to be our waterproof, so we don't have to worry about waterproofing the concrete. We don't have to worry about rebar and all that stuff. So the guys are finishing it out right now. We're blowing it in. And it is going to be so cool. Take a walk around here. We're putting in some trees, which is so cool. They planted some apple trees and some fruitless grapes. But it's real simple, you know. This is a real simple shape. This is just sort of a wading pond. Coming in on a big old cement truck.
Hey, you have to cover the whole concrete because right there where you put it, the other concrete is right there.
Okay, just go above the other concrete.
Hey, dice que arribita del cemento. Nomás le vamos tocando ya, que se vaya a quedar, dice que queda así nomás. Arriba del otro cemento, ya donde ya está muy grueso.
Establishing the outer level. Just use your trowel to check.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling him.
That's easy. My bad. No cemento allá. No cemento allá on that. Because you already poured that and that's all good, so yeah. We want to keep it the same. And just finish right to that edge like we were doing. Yeah. You don't need much, you know. Just poquito. Yeah. Poquito. It's the crazy day. Shotcrete's always a little stressful because so much comes out of a giant cement truck that has to be turned into something, and so it's a little nerve-wracking. The first time I did it, I thought I was going to pass out, but no, we're looking good. We have time to work it a little bit and move things around. We got a good crew here. My buddy Manny's been doing this for, I don't know, 20 years or something, with me anyway, but before that, longer even. So these guys do a great job. Really enjoy working with them, and so we're gonna keep going. We'll get this thing shotcreted and we'll let you know how it comes out if you like. DaveHenderson.podia.com, DaveHenderson.podia.com if you want to get more information, more how-to stuff on fake rocks. And if you want to read my blogs, you can go to DaveRHenderson.com. All right, there's my commercial. Have a great day. God bless you. Remember to be thankful and forgiving. Get those things really dialed in. You're going to be an awesome addition to the planet and not a curse, you know? We want to be thankful and we want to be forgiving. That gets the roadmap to happiness. All right. So we'll see you next time on the Rock Pile. Have a great day. God bless you guys. Do something awesome. Make someone smile. All right. See you later. Bye.